Guys, just want to take a quick look at STX here. I know this is a fan favorite on this channel, and we haven't really talked about it for a little while. It has, in the last day or so, broken above this Fibonacci range here that was sitting around 206. Now, we've talked about this a while back, and we've talked about it a lot, being a resistance, and around this 216 being a resistance. Now, we have finally closed the 4-hour candle above, but we need to start closing dailies and weeklies. And I would say we even need to get above about here, which is kind of where we got rejected. And you can see that this is it's been support a couple times over here. It's acted as resistance. So basically, this would be a good level to get above. I probably should even mark it off here because it does look like it is a point of interest for us right now. Now, it's not going to be a perfect line. I'm just going to put it right there at about $2.28. Let's see what we do in the coming hours. I do believe STX and a lot of these projects are going to start to pump, though. We did have a terrible jobs report yesterday in America, and it's basically caused this entire rally with Bitcoin and all altcoins, because people know that America is going to start cutting the interest rates sooner rather than later. So anyways, guys, 228 looks like to be some resistance point. If I go back further in the chart, yeah, you can see it was support, was resistance right there. I know that's a little bit tiny, you can't really see it so well. But let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin needs to get above this point here. Basically, like I said, it pumped and then it dumped, and it's just taken a little bit longer. I thought it was actually going to round out around here, but it ended up rounding out in the last few days. And we need to break this little neckline, and then I believe we're going to have another pump up to about, at least 73.2. Maybe higher. Basically the all-time high sits at about 73.7 something, so somewhere around here. That's the all-time high, so we're very close to that point, and we could easily pump above it, I believe, if we break this resistance. There's not much volume up here to contend with, guys. So yeah, be ready. I think Bitcoin, it's going to have a good week. Yesterday, basically, there was almost $1 billion from these ETFs in the USA. So, and now Australia has gone live with an ETF, their first ETF. So, be expecting, a big run here, probably in the next few days. As long as we don't get anything disastrous, I believe we will continue. And anyways, STX looking better. Like I said, just needs to break this range, then 228. It's got to break 228 basically, and then you got $2.43, 44 cents or so, and then you got this Fibonacci up here at about $2.57. So that's the next resistances to break. So be looking for that, but I do believe it's going to break it, sooner rather than later. As most of these altcoins are going to start breaking, their resistances and start moving towards new all-time highs probably. Anyways, guys, thanks a lot. If you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you in the next one.